Facebook is annoying. What's up? Good evening. Up and coming. Yes. Happy Wednesday evening to y'all. Or what? Wednesday evening. Thursday morning. Me no know. But big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night, y'all. How y'all doing? Good night. Me try find my page on the tablet here, but me can't find it. Facebook look all different and stuff. You know, come up. Come on, see you no comment. Yeah? What a go on queens? What a go on kings? How y'all doing? Happy Wednesday night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Good night. Me wait for Miss Vanilla. All of a sudden she feel for Milo, yeah? And me feel for Milo too. Me love Milo. Anybody out there love Milo? Yeah man, me love Milo. So Milo I do it tonight. So she said she gonna make with Milo. So she make with Milo before we get in a hot topic, yes? It cool. So you know some good Milo will warm up my spirit, yes. Make me nice and fuzzy. Locks nice and fuzzy. Fuzzy. So who no watch Master Baker yet? Eh? And who watch Master Baker, the first episode of Master Baker for 2022? We're gone Saturday. Eh? Who watch it? Who watch it? Yes, I do. Just add somebody said then just have a cup of Milo. Yeah, man, me can't grow up Milo, man. All when me older in a rocking chair, them have to bring me a nice cup of Milo. Me love Milo. And me love it with all hard-dough bread. Yeah, Jamaica hard-dough bread. Yeah, man. Just put a little of them soft butter panny. You know, margarine panny. Oh, one nice saw. One nice saw. Yeah, man, and Milo nice with the all egg sandwich. When I make an egg sandwich, I'm drop 2 pieces of ripe plantain in it. And let me start with the food thing, because then I want to see when I go talk about my craving. Yeah? So, me done the food talk. Yes? So, yeah, me ask, who watch Master Baker from Saturday? Yeah? Yes, so before we even get in that topic, I want to do like an explanation about Master Baker. Because guys, me telling us I'm not going to do it this year. Me just not do it this year. Not do it. Me not going to do it with them people you want to no sense or come up under my comment. Me not do it. If you never watch Master Baker from the beginning, you're not going to get it. If you're not from the Planka Nation and from the Royals and people who know what go on social media, you're not going to get it. You have to know what's going on social media. Then you know, you will understand Master Baker. If you're holy and you just go your bed and wake up pregnant and conceive your picnic them, then you might be offended by the damn sausage them. You understand? If you did just wake up and conceive. Because we all know about penis once we're sexually active, don't. So there's no reason to be offended. If I don't feel, just move on. You understand? Because I ain't really penis. You want me to tell you what it was? It was some damn turkey sausage. Yes. Them have them in an Italian too. Yeah. And it was fully cooked. Yeah. Me did boil it first before me fry it. You understand? So if you don't know what mass, if you just come on social media and just watch one thing, and you know watch the other stuff them will go on social media, you're not gonna get Master Baker. So stay out of Master Baker business and come back on Wednesday night and we sit down and just talk, yeah? Our Sunday night, if you're so holy and it's sausage offend you, come on Sunday night where we do praise and worship. But my platform, you understand, our platform cater to everybody we watch with. We know that some people follow our go on social media. The kingdom over the kingdom, them know about Bringle. So it was, that episode was for my brothers, yeah, in England. Your Majesty and Kazim. Yes, it was dedicated to them.
Big up yourself,
Your Majesty and Kazim. Actually, the first two episodes I got gear for
the first few.
Yeah, for my brothers in England. I understand. And let me tell you something, people. I mean, you're probably not gonna believe me, you know. You're probably not gonna believe me. But you see how Auntie Weekend go on with our birthday and the festivities and it nice and all the thing just turn up. Me didn't know say some bad spirit it all come out, you know. I mean know say that me don't come from my brother England, you know. Me know. So that's why me do that episode for them, you know. Me didn't know. Me sit down here and me a watch and me say, I bet you some of the feelings are hurt up. I bet you it just a boil up and turn up. And the evil spirit then just a run up and down in them rampant. Them are going to find something to come out. For my sister and my brother.
Yeah, even when nothing did it.
Yeah. You think
and make up something in them head.
Yeah, me didn't know it. You know, hear what me say in it. Go back and watch it. And me say it possess. Yeah. Satan possess the mermaid. Yeah? Me not give no attention tonight. But me just love how them want to Carly B pan people. You see? The Carly B sitting now come out with the case and sitting. Everybody want to Carly B now. But how comes when they reach to me and Vanilla name, all of a sudden them have amnesia? Why them always say chocolate and when next one name again? The vanilla. And then now put on the BFF on it and why they not come accuse me?
And half the time they don't even remember me.
Yeah, why they not, when they not come out with them filthy accusation like what they do auntie? Why? Why not afraid of her?
Them say her name.
We're broke, you know? We're broke. We not have no money.
No man.
Yeah, we can't call it be, you know.
No man, come forward.
Yeah, we can't call it be, you know.
Come forward.
We not have no money. No, sir. Yard? No, we not have no yard. Money? We don't know we don't know what name, sir.
We don't live nowhere.
Yeah, we don't know what name, sir. You understand?
No.
Why you buck pan my name?
Don't buck.
Now you want Carly B people? When people, if I me auntie me Carly B you long time ago in Bethlehem, the Holy Bible say, yeah, Mary's boy child Jesus Christ was born on Christmas Day. Yeah. If I me auntie and them the allegation the way you make, each and every day you cussy people them sit down and chat to yourself when they not even see you and remember you. Me not go too deep in you because new year now. And you know, me just baptized. No, me not really baptized people. That was a joke. But me not want to turn back so quick. You understand? So you go and call up a name. Go and chew on my name like Wrigley's. You see? Because no get up and love talk and have no action behind it.
Just make sure
you know long. Me want Carly B one uno.
Just make sure when you call up with him, you call it right.
Yeah, you know long.
Chocolate and vanilla BFF.
BFF. Me say,
Make sure you say it right.
Uno not understand how long I want to call the B1 uno.
Yeah, man.
I mean, I want it for myself. Me want to give to people them what uno think uno better than. Yeah. Me want to give them what uno not have. Uno not have enough to go creep and fine. Yeah. You see them people them want to get up and cuss when them all come on my life and make one little statement. And them me want to take uno money and give. So they can sit down now and live better than uno and laugh off of uno. And them me want to find them. I don't want it for myself. I go stay broke. I'm poor and now shit.
And paparazzi.
And paparazzi. And them me want it for.
Yeah.
And them me want it for.
So make sure you call it right.
So make sure you, let me tell you how you say it. Chocolate and vanilla BFF. Don't left off the BFF.
And don't lift off the vanilla.
Yeah.
Because half the time you lift it up.
Because you get up and you make all kind of threat and who you go sue. From me of this a platform, me never call for your name panny yet.
When I call no name.
Still not go call for your name panny. Yeah. So whatever, let me see how the court hearings are go. Oh, them say mermaid. Oh, them say master baker. Oh. You want to go up in a court. I want to see you going there with Vanilla and me. And tell them, so we're a mermaid. Yeah? We're dryland mermaid.
Dryland mermaid.
And I want you to tell them, so me use master baker. Because master baker for me. Me come up with that the name there. So me no know of you as the master baker. Yeah? Me know you as master faker. So if you want to take the one there, go right ahead. But me sick and tired of you. Yeah. What that on the phone? Me sick. Lady, you need serious help. Me sick and tired of you. You understand? Me sick and tired of you. We're fatigued from you. We're fatigued by you. Every day you get up and you cuss it to people them that don't even see you. What make you go drag we in it?
They remember you. They don't remember you.
So me can't have a skit. Me can't have a skit and skit about what me see on Facebook. The foolishness wanna get up big grown ass people and go on with each and every day. And show no, so uno look like a damn jackass. Uno an idiot. We can't do that. What I got to put from that? Show me the papers and show me the policy. What prevent me from having my master baker. And call out mermaid. Dryland mermaid were possessed by Satan's spirit. You want me to say it over for you? Mermaid, dryland mermaid, was sit down and obsess on a lady and a man and him husband. What I do way better than you, now study you, now see you.
No member you.
No member you.
None at all.
None at all.
No member you, none at all.
And why you are going to drag we in it? Because what? We love them. We support them. So are you the give birth to me?
And that more for no.
Are you the give birth to me? Christmas Eve. Are you the give birth to me? Me know. So you can control who me like from who me not like. And if me like somebody, you have all right for pull me. Well, we're volunteer. Let our lawsuit be first one.
Yeah, man. Come for it. Chocolate and vanilla BFF. Come.
Yeah. You understand?
We're volunteer for you.
Yeah. Care well ugly asses whenever you're ready. Because everybody ugly and you beautiful. And me not see you yet for grace the cover of no magazine. Not even newspaper where people use wipe them body. Me not see your grace a cover. And none of them yet.
Nothing.
You understand? We come out here. And we come for entertain with people them. And we love who we love. You understand? So nobody come pitch upon me. Nobody come flap up your mermaid tail upon me. You understand?
Scale.
Yeah.
Scales.
You understand? Me no know you. You no know me. Me like who me like. And when me see them, and when me see them that gang up on my sister, me come and defend her. And if you don't gang up on her, me come out again. You understand?
And if you gang up on my brother,
we come out again too. Because the people them not study you. Right?
Nobody not pay you.
You understand? One go bake whatever you bake.
Nobody no remember you.
Understand? One go rub up whatever you rub up. The time you did that, rub up your gum, them you go rub up something. You know much good advice me here, Your Majesty give you. And you're yet to take them. The year just start. Anti-party run up your blood pressure. Because you don't like to see nobody else happy. But you know. You're there all the way in America. Eh? You're there all the way in America. Sweetheart. You're in America. And the lady there, Jamaica. What she do to you? What is she doing to you? Your Majesties all the way in England. What are they doing to you? We are all the way out here in Atlanta. We not think about you. You understand? We not think about you. You might see we as BFF, but we not the woman. We're happily married. You understand? I'm telling you all the time, the only girl me that bend for are Halle Berry and Rihanna. You understand? Them they're only two. And I only probably a kiss them all get. Yeah? That's it. You understand? Me not bend for no girl when I even know if they lay them lace with good. You understand me? Yeah? Me telling you all the time, you know. You just see the mild version of me. Because I have respect for myself. And I respect my family. Because I come from good, proper family. You understand me? So take my name off of your white tongue. You hear me? Take my name off of your white tongue. Let my name stay off of your white tongue. Honey, nobody not think about you. You understand?
Nobody remember you. Like
and my fault. Until they are Jamaica, I live better than you. And not for my fault.
And not for without Chris there in England, I live better than you.
And what if people in America I live better than you? Including us. But we not get up and bad mind people where live better than we. You understand? Yeah?
You need to humble yourself.
Go sit down somewhere, man.
Go sit down one side.
We're tired of you.
Sit down in a corner.
Tired of you. Leave us alone. Leave us alone. We're going to condition your wigs. You understand me? Buy a good glue. You hear me?
Buy a new wig, yeah.
Yes. A new one. Get a new edge control. For control your damn edges. And leave us alone. You hear me? Me know auntie tired of you. And she got through it long time. And me tired of you and me not got through it so long. I'm sick and tired of you. Me sick and tired of you and your speaky spooky. And all them shit there. You know, you look ridiculous.
You sound ridiculous.
You want to take on Lady V. How dare you?
Right.
I call it woman furniture them outdated. At least she have it in her house. Which part for your modern furniture them there. Sit down in a somebody else house where you help pay them mortgage for. You want me this you? Me with this you up in? Me say me with this you and class you. Don't play with me. Me come out. Me come out 2022 and say, you know what? Me not answer them people there. Me done with it. You understand? But you just get on my last rotted nerve. You and your sew business. You know what sewings go? You ever go over YouTube, go check out your video them? Where you sit down and class people all the time? You think so them not there? They're over there.
She deletes them on her own page, but yet they're all over YouTube.
You're going to bring the videos that you sit down and class people, a quote, make sure you bring them.
All of them.
All of them. You understand?
Because you delete them doesn't mean they're not out there.
Bring them. Don't forget them. You understand? Because not one day yet me ever go upon them other two people of platform where you sit down and live upon like leeches. Like a leech. Not one day me ever go over there and them talk about you. Not unless you say something about them. And she totally ignore you until she get fed up. She might say one and two line. She not give you a whole paragraph. Because you're not even worth a whole paragraph. Only time Majesty come out for you. And when you mess with that man. What happened to you? Attention you want? Attention you want? If nobody not buy your shit, then just not gonna buy it. Plain and simple. Facebook are not only place you can promote your stuff. Yeah? There are other ways you can promote your stuff. So what if they're more popular than you? Somebody has to be more popular than some people. Why it bother you, sir? Why you lose so much sleep? Why you lose your glue over people them life? Eh? Why you we got drop off over them life? Eh? I know you want to come bring we in it. What you want to bring we in for? We can't love people what we want to love. We can't stand up for the people and say that's not right. For people get up day in and day out and I knock these people and I don't see them bothering anybody. They're doing their business. They're showing people that it can be done. Chris has shown you over and over how it should be done. And not even that you can't see. You just steady eating the people them. You know how much lessons me sit down and watch him give you? But the eat where you have blind you. The eat that you have blind you.
You're your own worst enemy. You're affecting your business the most. The way you act and the way you continue to cuss and go on the most way, you're affecting yourself. Who's going to want to go to a business where the owner comes on Facebook and pure cuss every day? And I play victim.
From
Like
the
them
time,
not cuss nobody.
From the time you cuss and Chris give you them tips there, if you did utilize them with all the energy you sit down in a fear damn vehicle and cuss with, you know how good you would have been? If you did spend all them times there in a front for your vehicle and find ways outside of Facebook to advertise your business, you know how much sale you'd get. But you just steady live at the people them window and just a peep into them life. Me could never eat somebody and just study them, sir. That's an obsession, lady.
Day and night, day and night.
That is an obsession. If me not like somebody, me not come on your page. Me no want to watch nothing where you're in. Me no want to see you. Just like me no want to watch nothing where you're in, but unfortunately pop up and people put with name and we see it. Say you call with name.
People send me the videos.
Actually, me that watch Your Majesty when he was playing.
I
me hear she call up with name.
Yeah, me hear that too.
She troop on with name like Wrigley's. You understand? Girl, me no do girl. You hear? Me no do girl. You understand? I me tell you, if me a do girl, them have to look good. Even if me look like shit, them have to look damn good. Yeah. You understand me? Take one name out of your mouth. You understand me? You're hateful. You're a very hateful woman. And anybody that stand up for these people, they automatically become enemies. Lady V, you ever call the woman skettle? You know what skettle is? Girl, you looking at a mirror upon yourself? You look at yourself? You can call people skettle? Me sure me never hear nobody class Lady V like how me hear people across social media class you.
True.
How dare you? How dare you? So nobody not supposed to speak on the fact that you get up and eat upon them people you day in and day out. You are delusional. Yeah?
You need to go to Bellevue.
You
go get
are
yourself
a delusional person.
Check yourself into Bellevue. Really?
Delusional.
You need some psychiatric help.
These people cannot send out people to do anything to you or to write a bad comment. They're not sitting beside the people them that follows them and dictate to them what they should and should not type. These people do it on their own based off of your behavior. Me not gonna say, you know, have one and two people might just be, you know, want to be rude. I'm not saying that. But majority of the time is based on your performance in a video. Why you get the negative comments them under your video, or you dip on your live and you cuss out somebody when I study you.
Your own actions.
You understand? Me don't know what's wrong with your woman. You understand? But since you can class auntie and tell her how she look and this and that, why you not gonna look a modeling job? You're in America. Why you not grace the cover or something? Huh? Since you so fabulous. Eh? You want Carly be everybody. You want Sue left, right, and center. Eh? So it look like you not watch your actions. Yeah? You not take no responsibility. People just get up and come at you. And you not do nothing.
Right.
You're innocent. And later you come out and when you defend yourself, what are you defending yourself against? Me yet to see something you are defend yourself against. What is it that you are defending yourself against? Can I see it? Where you defend yourself against? And everybody for you want deport. You work at custom? You're a custom officer? Everybody you are deport. So are you alone in America straight?
Y'all gonna deport me too?
Are you alone in America straight? You're gonna deport Gracie. Or you're gonna deport her. She's there in Jamaica right now. Be sure if she didn't have papers, she couldn't reach her Jamaica. Everybody you're gonna deport. When you're not gonna deport them, you're gonna make them lose them job, or you're gonna carry them to court. Who are you?
You're big and
Not
bad.
even Joe Biden can do that.
You're big and bad.
Who the hell you think you is? And you're smarter than everybody
You
else.
work-
Why? Because you can't twist up your tongue and talk?
She must work for USCIS.
Because you can't
Immigration.
twist up your tongue and talk, you think you're smarter than everybody else? You tell you like a fool people them will sit down and watch you that, you hear? But when you come to we, you have to step correct. Because when I sit down and listen to foolishness, and when afraid of foolishness, you understand? You see me eye them? When I sit down and listen to foolishness, you cannot frighten us, chocolate and vanilla, with foolishness. We know too much people were brilliant. You understand? You cannot talk to us and come to us and expect us to tremble with foolishness. It's not going to work. You cannot close our mouth with foolishness. It's not going to work.
It's not gonna work.
You understand?
We're not afraid of you.
Because we're not big head body, yes, sir.
No.
You understand?
And we're
We're
not
not
born
fool,
ye-
yes,
We're
sir.
not born yesterday.
You understand? So you can't twist up your tongue and talk the lingo. You can't drop your hand on you too, sweetheart. Don't get it twisted. You can't drop your lingua too. You hear me?
I think I can too.
Oh, you can?
I think so.
Yeah, you sure?
I think so. Yeah.
All right. You think you're bad like she?
I think I can talk American.
English?
Yeah,
You
English.
think it? Okay. All right.
I think so.
I think so too because you're born here, don't
Well, you know, she's deporting everybody, so I guess she'll deport me too.
You
Where she's
think
going to
you're-
deport me to, I don't know. I guess, you know.
What, she going to deport you to New Hampshire. That's where you are.
I guess.
But I'm still in the United States.
Well, you know,
I wonder where them all come for you
maybe
now.
she thinks it's part of Canada.
Oh, okay.
You know.
I know which part them all come for you. When them deport you, I want to come. You hear?
Yeah, man.
We'll make a
Never-
vacation out of
Yeah,
it.
man. May I bring you with me?
We're tired of you.
Fool.
I make sure I can speak for you rest of the people them when you get up and attack. Them tired of you. Nobody not trouble you.
Nonsense, boo.
If you want to sell something for Easter.
No, man. Valentine's.
Yeah, Valentine's
first,
now?
man. Yeah, man.
You not go about it like that. Because I would never even buy a crumb from you. Based on your behavior.
You come out in cuss. It's the same thing, you know. She come out in cuss. And she cuss and she cuss. And then she play the victim. Because she deletes her videos.
No,
Like
but
her
and then
videos
she
aren't
give
out
out
there anymore.
the web address
Yes,
at the
man,
end.
and-
That's not how you do an ad for your business.
No.
You come
in
and
the
cuss
same ad that
people.
you're a cut. In
And
the same
then
video that you're cussing.
give your website
You give your
address.
website. Really?
For people to buy your product. Really? Really?
www.delusional.com.
How about that?
Take that.
www.obsessedwithwoman and man when I study you.com.
www.badmind.com.
www.whitetongue.org. Where that net?
Yeah, man. www.bellevue
That net.
recipient to be BFF'S.net.
All right. We got you covered.
Yeah, man.
How
We got
about that?
you.
We got you covered. Yeah. We got you covered.
Yeah, all angles.
Me
man.
say when me a watch a weekend, because me watch the whole thing. Can you see me? Me no bad mind. Me no bad mind.
We no bad mind, we no grudgeful. We
Me
no
watch the
envious.
whole weekend with auntie and me say, you see, the devil possessed girl there, I bet you she gonna find a reason for come out. And she now gonna lick auntie, you know, right off the back, because she don't want it obvious. She a go for your majesty.
Yeah, man. She
And
have
then
to go for
pull
Chris.
auntie
She
in her
has to go for
But
Chris
a
first.
auntie weekend stir up your bad
Yes.
mind dirty heart.
Yes, man. On her
Yes.
birthday weekend, you know,
Yes.
she
And
go
you
all
drag we
out
in
for
a
her
it.
birthday.
You drag we in a it because you see tribute where we give to auntie. And a it a murder you.
Jealousy.
Yet she will rise. Your dirty mind you. What? I eat. Eat up your skin.
But you know, say, I truly support Auntie Donna and your
I know that
majesty.
me watch the weekend. Remember me sit
Yeah,
down here. That's
I
how me
know,
come
man.
up with the whole concept for Master Baker.
Me know, man. Me know.
And for inject her as the mermaid in that bitch.
Yeah.
Yeah? Because me know.
It was coming.
The weekend I go, yo, me say me know say
The
it
weekend
go
burner.
burn up her skin. Yes. But she have to come out and not make it so obvious say it's about auntie. So she have to go after your majesty.
And
You
then
understand?
stick
And that's
auntie
why,
in it.
that's
Yeah.
why me do the Master Baker in honor of Chris and with Bringer. You understand? Because I knew it was coming. Girl.
You're easy to read.
Girl.
What happened to you?
Girl.
Can't read you, my
Girl. You not understand say a genius this you sit down and look pan. Girl. I mean no say the tribute what we do for auntie, me know that burn up your skin, you can call up with name. I can talk about say, you go call it be we. Come now?
Come now.
You not ready?
Bring it, come, man. We have volunteer for be your first.
You not ready? Eh? And
We're volunteer.
make sure when we meet up at courthouse, you prepare for me Bruce Lee. You hear? Yeah. How about that? How about that? You ever hear about Bruce Lee? Yeah. You ever hear about that? We meet up at courthouse, you prepare.
Bruce Lee
for
around, you know.
Yeah.
Bruce Lee around.
Yeah.
Bring it,
With a
come
little
now.
bit of Steven Seagal.
Don't forget, chocolate and vanilla BFF, okay? Remember, say chocolate and vanilla BFF. Bring it, come.
You're enough. When nobody not remember you, when nobody not even know say you still a keep, you have to come out here. Come start sitting. Brand new year, you come back with the same old miserable self. Yeah? Go
New
get
year,
help,
you not
man.
change.
Go seek help for your obsession.
New
You're
year.
obsessed. And then you get up and fake say you're happy. You are not happy. A happy person does not behave like you. A successful person who are do good with them business don't get up and behave like you. You act desperate. It's like you want wally of them follower and force them to buy your product. That's how you act.
And all she had tried, them still
And
not
them
buy.
not buy it. When you go get
still
over,
don't want it.
so nobody ain't tell them not to buy it, and them just don't want to buy it because of your behavior. Me read you like a book, and then I take many videos for me do it.
Yo,
You are a bad-minded person.
me
You're bad
wouldn't-
mind.
But I wouldn't buy her products just by listening to her the way she go on. But
You're-
what I want it.
You're very bad mind, and you're an embarrassment. Because the people them in a different country, so Christ's sake. You're in the land of the free and the home of the brave. Eh? If you can't make it here, you can't make it anywhere. Now that them say, you're in United States. If you can't make it there, you can't make it anywhere. It's up to you, New York. You understand? And you're straight up a study other people in a different country and I make their life bother you. What the hell's wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Delusional.
Hmm?
You have a mental illness.
Watch Master Baker and laugh your ass off, no man. Get some laughter in your life, man. Get some happiness in your life. Yes.
You need a man.
Even if you're a mermaid, laugh about it now. When you want to come out, you can talk or come make threat for. You think nobody afraid of your threat? Ain't nobody afraid of you, girl. Nobody not afraid of you and your threat.
Bring it come.
Huh?
We'll tell you.
And you get up on your class, everybody body. Eh?
Look
And
on your
half a fear and a fear. Yeah?
And then even set good what?
You understand?
You didn't even set good.
Somebody poke your body, start leak, and you come out here exalt yourself. All me need is a pen. Leave me alone, you hear me?
You need to
Leave
go
me
back
alone.
and get the work that you had done fixed.
You understand me?
Because I know
Cannot
you
take
can.
much for deflate you.
You
A
don't
pin,
look good.
a safety pin, pow,
Pop.
boss, pop. You understand? Yeah. Take a look at fragile self and chill out. Chill. Take a chill pill. Yeah, you not just say you go on vacation at the time of your life. And that mess you up. Because you compare what go on over the weekend with your vacation and it at up your head.
Because she lived in Jamaica and had a better time than you.
You understand? It at up your head because you're bad mind. Nobody else not supposed to shine. Nobody not supposed to do better than you. Utilize your skills, them dear. If you have any. That's what they're doing. Utilizing their skills. You can't blame them. Come like you want to beat off the people them will follow the people them and will love the people them. What wrong with you? Eh? What wrong with you? Something wrong with you. Drink your damn Dunkin' Donut coffee and yam your bagel. And move on. Move on. Keep it moving. Leave people alone. When not study you. When not time for you.
But the amount of time you sit down and accost people, you could be in your bakery, working on getting better. You
could
claim
like
that
your
you're still learning. Go out there and learn more. All that time you're out there cussing, take that time in your bakery and work on bettering yourself so you can be a better decorator.
Exactly, and stop take out the plastic flowers them out of vase and drop them on the cake. I mean, you come out here cause people. Me tell you, you know, want me class here. Stop it. You understand? Stop it. Stop it. You understand? Stop it. Me I try to live a good like a Christian life. You know what I mean? I don't want you make me backslide. And you, I work up my nerve for my backslide.
And that's your one.
I mean, tell them, say, things I used to do, I don't want to do them no more. You know? And you want me backslide, you want me slide back. And you're not going to like it because me not if I have to cuss one bad word for bury you. Not one. You understand? And if you want it in a English, me can get it in a English. Me can get it in a Gypsy. Me can get it in a Hindu. Me can get a little bit of it in a Spanish and a little bit of it in a Italian. And I do know a little bit of Bosnian. So anyway you want it.
Take a pick. Take your pick.
You understand? Me telling the people, me I try to live a good little Christian life. You understand me? But me tired of the witch. Me tired of you. Then turn you in a pillar of salt. You melt.
Long time.
Then turn you in a tea. Sorosity tea. Single Bible tea.
And you turn sour.
So, BC tea.
You're sour.
Sour sap leaf tea. King of the forest tea. Now all of a sudden you're a mermaid. What else?
Dryland mermaid.
What else? Them salt you out. They try to drown you. and you flip up out a Rio Grande and come up. And make mermaid and now you want to flap your damn tail all over social media again. What wrong with you?
Nobody not pay you no mind.
Hmm?
You're not of no importance. Just
You
know.
understand? I want to scale you now. Leave me out of your mouth. Leave Vanilla and I out of your mouth. Because we never call your name on our platform.
Never.
Never.
Oh, now we not call your name. Not even tonight we not call your name.
I'm not give you that satisfaction. You understand?
You're not worth the words.
And we love who we love. We support who we support.
And you can't stop that.
And you can't stop it. You can't stop it. You understand? So get used to it. That's all I can tell you. Just get used to it. Get used to it. If that part bother you, get used to it.
Oh, you know what? You know what, Chocolate? I think if it bother her so much, maybe we need to do it some more. Because obviously it's a burner.
You understand? You not stop Master Baker. Master Baker have a mind of her own.
Sure
Master
does.
Baker can turn in a whomever she want turn in a. And Master Baker no give nobody no apology.
None. You
Yeah,
see,
yeah.
she didn't even give the little old white lady no apology.
Yeah,
So
I know.
what she could give you apology for?
And when Master Baker, don't push Master Baker. Make she slip in somebody else. You hear me? Because then, that Master Baker, she not worry about her like a Christian good up life. Her decent life and her boss lady life, which image where she have to protect. Master Baker will done you. Me will come as Master Baker and done you.
In a comedic way.
Stop it. It's old now. It's old.
Grow up.
It's old. You're old.
You're not 40-something years old, man. You act
Me
like
here
you're,
to break
you
it
act
to
like
you.
you're a little picnic.
Me
Grow
if to
up.
break it to you.
You're
Now
not
you're
young.
old.
You're not young.
You understand? You're old. You see tough, broad back, old woman them what you are talking about, you're describing yourself.
Look in the mirror.
Because when you describe them, that's exactly what I say.
You
Looking
need
at
to
you.
look in the mirror.
You understand? If your body make you feel young, me there have to break it to you. You're old.
Your body lean.
Stop it. Stop it. Grow up. Do something different. You can't continue doing the same thing expecting a different result.
Exactly. You've been doing the WWW for how long? And it not work. You need to find something else. Because the WWW not work.
You understand me? Stop it. We're tired of you. We're just tired of you. You're too much. You're too much. Yeah, your bad mind need to go sit down somewhere. You understand? Start there, sir. Start with your bad mind. Start being okay with seeing other people with your skin color being successful. It's okay. Start being okay with people of your skin color being happy. It's okay.
It's okay to see somebody who's a baker be successful. Another baker be successful.
It's okay.
It's all right.
I know everybody are gonna be your friend. It's okay if people don't want to be your friend anymore. You don't have to obsess over it. You don't own their lives.
You can't
They
force
can
them.
choose whomever they want to choose as friends. Move on. I know it must hurt, but move on. You fell in love really hard and you're still heartbroken, but take some time out and get yourself healed. Move on. Find yourself another friend.
You know, say if you're checking at Bellevue, by the time them let you out, maybe you'll be all right.
You understand? It's okay to lose a friend. There are more people in the world. There are billions of people in the world. Me can't imagine if you did get a little bit of Bringo. The obsession in a turn up all Jesus Christ.
All up.
Jesus, Lord of mercy. No, sir.
What an obsession that would be. If you're obsessed now, I can't even imagine if you did get Bringle.
Master God, can you imagine if she did even smell Bringle?
No, sir. Just a sight of Bringle alone.
She did smell Bringle because I know say Bringle could have some love in the aisle pan, you know. You understand me?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. And you know say Bringle probably well circumcised.
Bringle turn up.
Or was she that do mama? Or was she that do papa? Or was she that do my sister? Or was she that do my brother? Locks. Or was she that do my kings and queens? Murder? No, sir. Or was she that do? Why? Me not even want to think.
That may I say.
My brain not big enough to think what I go on. Because bring it all the way in England and then making way over in America and it a drive you so mad. Me can't even.
A picture alone. I pitched alone,
she say.
picture alone.
Jesus,
supposedly the picture alone, she say, and I go mad so.
I wonder if
she can't handle it.
I wonder if it did aisle down on the picture.
Man,
why?
Could you imagine if a picture matters? So could you imagine how she got one if she did see it?
I wonder if I love in the aisle or baby aisle, or ear aisle, or Vaseline intensive care.
I wonder.
Cocoa butter. I wonder.
Yeah.
Let me tell my mind not I got you. And I like something but bring her like that. But me I say, Jesus. No sir.
If a picture mad you saw. No, sir.
Bring us say your mouth not turn him on. Breaking news. Bring us say. Not even the mouth. Him no want. And I miss sister. I bring us sister.
Bringle tell Master Baker.
Get over it, woman. Get over yourself. Get over yourself. You're not that important. You're sure not important to us. We make fun of your behavior. You understand? And if you continue to behave in the way you're behaving, you're going to just give us more material to make fun of.
Thank you.
You understand? Stop it.
Ridiculous. Man.
Stop it.
Grow up.
Look how much successful people in America. Why you not going to offer them? You see him Carly B, where you say you want Carly B people. Why you not going to offer Carly? She way richer than all our people them where you go offer. Why you not go? She more deserving. That's what it is. Is she more deserving? Is it because she don't look like you? She more deserving. Is it because she's not from the country that you're from? She's more deserving. You see? You see the hypocrisy behind it? You see how no look upon our sister and brothers? You don't see it. You see it. Look how much successful people here in America. You get up and bad mind all of them? How many years you cuss them? Look how much bakers here. Look how much bakers. They're New York. Even at the damn supermarket, them you go up in there go cuss them off. Because I'm sure they sell more than you. Why you not go up in there go cuss them off? No, you only have strength for your own people them. Because they shouldn't rise. Because you're bad mind.
Because you wish you were where they are.
You envy them position on social media. You envy the amount of followers they have. You do. You envy them for their success. That's the bottom line. Look within yourself.
Point blank, period.
Ask God to change your heart. Your heart is dirty. Ask God for creating you a clean heart and renew a right spirit within you. Understand? You're supposed to look at your sisters and brother and see you in them, even if you're not at the level that they're at. But you know what? That's my sister. That's my brother. They work hard. They deserve this. And if I too apply myself, if that's what I want. I too can achieve it. But I have to put out good energy into the universe. And I have to be able to be happy for other people other than myself and other than the people that is around me. Start there. Start right there. Understand that not everybody is going to like you. And who support them, that's okay. You'll get who will support you. You're not going to be everybody's cup of tea. So, but you can't force everybody to drink you. And you want to push yourself onto people. You want to force them to see bad in the people that you envy and see good in you. When you have good in you, you don't have to force anyone to see it. You project it. You come through the screen. And we can feel the evil energy
come from you
through the screen every time we see you. Because no matter how you want to come out and present this fake image, you just revert right back into that dark place. When are you really going to be done? Stop it. Me tired of you. We're not afraid of you. We're never going to be afraid of you.
No.
We're never going to be afraid of another human being.
God alone will fear. Yeah? God alone. Just remember that.
You're too bad mind. Leave bad mind alone. Divorce yourself from bad mind. Get a divorce.
Immediately.
You and bad mind are in this relationship for too long. Way too long. It start come out through your pores. The bad mind start lift off your wig. Do better. You're an embarrassment. You know, say, you weren't my topic tonight.
No, sir.
Your name is topic tonight, you know?
I know this really come on here for you now. No.
You weren't my topic tonight. As a matter of fact, we pin all the number because it was going to be a call-in show. But I feel the need to tell you because me just tired of you. And me know the reason behind why you come out. Because I ain't no fool. Me might born at night, but me never born last night. And you can come out and go on like somebody say something about you. Or somebody do you something. The bad mind. And your bad mind make you come out. Because you sit down and watch everything that went on per auntie-birthday across social media. You see all the love that this lady was getting. And you see all the festivities. And you sit down and you bad mind her. And you found out with you for crawl out. And come out here. And then inject Chris into it. And of course, you squeeze your name in there. Because of the tribute. You saw it. And nobody can convince me differently. You saw the tribute. And you think she never deserved that. She deserved all of it.
And more.
Yes, and we sit down and we spend time on it. Because it came from our heart. That's how we saw her. And yes, she will rise.
Yep.
And she still
rise.
gonna rise. Dirty heart. she still a go rise. Bad mind, she still a go rise. Teabag, she still a go rise. Pillar of salt, she still a go rise. Mermaid, she still a go rise.
Bug, she still a go rise.
Understand? Still a go rise. And none of eating where you do can't erase what's already happened.
And what's going to happen.
And what's going to happen. People, like me said, this I name a topic.
That's not at all what we came on.
But we
to
will
talk about.
save the topic for next Wednesday night. Or maybe we can do it Saturday night.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, we can do it Saturday night.
All right. Guys, me say all of this without apology. We get tired too. Understand? Become tired for people who want dictate to we. Who we feel like. Who we feel support. Me don't want nobody dictate to me who feel like and who feel support. And make me feel afraid to support somebody because you are going to rob me or you are going to bring me to court or whatever. By all means.
Bring we got court.
Me done with you from tonight, you know. Me seriously done with you from tonight. Not the way you say again about me unless you make some allegations. You understand? But me now waste my time upon you because I realize that you feed off of going after people. I mean, I have time for that. You see, when you're a real businesswoman, you don't have them time and them energy there to invest in a going back and forth with people. When you're when you're real happy, you don't have the time to do all of that because you're too busy being happy with the people them that you love. You understand?
And you invest your time and energy into your business when you're happy.
Yeah. It's time if you come out here, consider and trace with you back and forth. I'm going to do something on my website. Yeah? I send out a blast email to my customers them. That's when me have time. Me will spend my energy for them. I'll sit down and create something. Yeah? That's how I roll. Yeah? I don't have time for them bullshit here. I don't have the time for come out here and go back and forth with people and discriminate against them body and them appearance and them stuff there. Because at the end of the day, whether you're ugly, whether you're pretty, whether you're fat, whether you're short, it will away. None of it, whether you're tonight now make it till year 3,000. You understand? Stop minding other people's business and mind your business. Start minding your business. And then people won't have to come out and talk on things that you're doing. Because nobody gonna sit here and see, especially a woman like Auntie that's doing so much for people in our country. In our country. And sit here quietly and have you guys just ride on her day in and day out. When this lady not troubling you guys. Not thinking about you guys. Who's gonna sit down, somebody with good heart and good conscience and have a voice and not say something about it? Somebody that they admire. I don't care. What una go get up and say, kiss Auntie, but I don't, me telling you from day one, I don't care, me not care. Me not cater for no greater. Me over them like a foolish argument there. Me over them foolish argument there. No go send nothing to me that's gonna let me sit here, have a platform, and people are bully and I make allegation against this lady and don't say anything. Sure. So whether you want to say clout, whether you want to say kiss ass, how much time if you tell her, bring your body, yes, Auntie, make me kiss him. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Yes, whatever I want to say. I found no business that. Auntie no say, me have fear number and I've never called her and asked her for a favor. Never. I have Your Majesty number. Your Majesty wanted to send me cake for free and I told him no, I will buy them.
True.
Because I want to support him. What's the sense in him sending me free cake when I can afford to support him? I know he wants to show me love, but that's taken away from his business. To give to me? No. Let me buy it just like everybody else. That's
what we told him.
That's what I want. I want to support you.
That's what we told him. We said we want to buy your cakes.
Yeah. Same thing with Auntie. I want to buy your cakes.
Same thing.
Whatever business you're in, I don't want anything for free. I don't want to take away from what you're doing. Why? Because I said two good words about you. I don't deserve no cake for that. Me said that from my heart.
It was genuine.
Because I admire you. I love what you're doing. And Chris and Cousin, they're an inspiration to a lot of people. Auntie the same. So why me not deserve nothing free? For what? Because I say what I feel and I say what I see.
Right. Because you spoke the truth?
Not one day me ever tell them, mention chocolate and vanilla. Please? No. No. I go and participate on other people platform. If any vlogger watch me, they can tell us, and I let me show no see me on people platform a comment. It's chocolate and vanilla.
Me too.
Everybody what we support, we go put them on them platform.
And we comment.
And we comment and we participate.
In the conversation.
In the conversation. And whenever I get asked them, please mention me. Please. No, please. They took it. They saw us and out of respect, they big us up. You understand? But I don't want them come and mention Gracie, you have to mention back chocolate. No. Whatever anybody do for me, do it genuinely. Because you look over here, you watch me, and you admire what I'm doing. That's it.
Plain and simple.
That's it. Bad mind rampant out here. Rampant. Me glad for the way me raised with little. Sometimes, you know, being back home, and when I had little, I always wanted a lot. But having little taught me a lot in life.
Taught you to be grateful for
so
what you
grateful for everything that I have.
Yep.
That I don't see anybody with anything.
And want it.
And bad mind them for it.
Same me.
I am so grateful that I am from humble beginning. That my mom taught me, if we only have one banana, this is what we're going to have. And we're going to give God praise for it. We're going to be satisfied. If a banana we have and the neighbor have rice and peas, it's okay. Let us be happy for the neighbors that they're having rice and peas and chicken. But we're going to love our banana.
And enjoy it.
And enjoy it and give thanks for it. Because we could have been without a banana.
And there are other people out there that would have loved to have had the banana.
And that's how I live my life up until today. I'm not going to be hateful of your banana. Or if me have a banana, you have rice and peas. I'm going to be satisfied with my banana. And I'm going to admire your rice and peas and tell you say it look nice. All them peas, I wish me could have some of your rice and peas. But me happy say you have rice and peas.
But we not go bad mind you.
But me not go bad mind you for your rice and peas.
No go so.
One day, just one day.
One day.
I will have some rice and peas too.
Yeah. Might start out with rice, and then you get the peas.
But we got
one day I go get the rice.
I have my rice and peas one day. If me really want rice and peas, one day I'll get my rice and peas.
Yep. Might not be today, might not be tomorrow, but it'll happen.
But me now go around, go see people with them things and bad mind them for it.
No.
And if my brother a watch tonight, him can testify. He can call in and tell you, say, all what I say right here to my family, it's the truth. Because when I move out here to Georgia, my brother asked me to look for a house for him. He want to relocate to Georgia. And Vanilla and I, when my brother came and saw the house that I chose for him,
that we chose for him,
what we chose for him, he started crying. Because my house wasn't even on my mind. I was looking for everything what me that want in our house, and then some.
And more.
For it, and more for him. Yeah. And that's how I do things for people. I always want you will sit down and hear me brag upon everybody else but myself. May I allow somebody to brag upon myself. I will sit down here and brag upon my family all day. I will sit down here and brag upon my friends them all day. And I allow somebody to brag upon myself and tell you what I have.
Midtime same way.
Yeah.
Midtime
It's okay.
same way.
It's okay. Somebody have rice and peas and you only have a sauce of boiled banana. One day, if you really want the rice and peas and you work hard, you'll get it. And sometimes we're not supposed to have rice and peas.
True.
Because you want your rice and peas so badly, and then you get your rice and peas, and guess what now? Peas make you gassy. All you do is walk around and pop up a place. Pop.
And the
coconut milk and your belly not green.
Yeah, man.
You understand? And you realize that all this time, me I eat pan somebody for them rice and peas. And look how it do me. That's why me name have rice and peas. Me name for name rice and peas. Yeah. But because you're so damn grudgeful. You understand? You're so damn grudgeful. And bad mind. Feed people the rice and peas.
And it run your belly.
You're going to get it and you run your damn belly. You understand? Yeah. Another perfect example. You ever go like you fear them? And they have a big old teddy bear them. And they look pretty. And you want to win one eye teddy bear in a man. You do everything to win a teddy bear. Yeah, just rid off 5 people and teddy bear. You know what I mean? You want an eye teddy bear. No matter how much time you go play and lose your damn money. You're not tap till you win one of the teddy bear. And you win a teddy bear now. But guess what? You didn't finish ride all I ride them I fear. So now you get stuck. I walk around with this big old rotted teddy bear. And not have nowhere to put it on. You understand?
Because they're not fitting any
because the damn teddy bear.
Little lock of them that they give you.
The damn teddy bear just looks so nice and attractive. And everything you want. And everything you ready for. Because you wouldn't tap till you play and get a big old rotted teddy bear. And you forgot, say, you still have one heap more ride figure ride. And you can't put on the big old rotted teddy bear. You know, nobody no want wally for you.
Everybody wants to ride the ride. You're stuck with it.
Stuck with the big old teddy bear. Yeah? I'm just saying. Yes. So, be contented.
Be happy for what you have.
Happy and grateful. And what you don't have, you work towards it.
Because think about
if you really
this.
want it, yeah?
What you have, somebody else out there wants it. Somebody else out there wants what you have.
Mile nice.
Be happy with what
nice.
you have.
One more time.
Mine done.
But it get cold for me.
But that's alright. Cold Milo nice too.
Yeah, me know. But I like my cold Milo with ice in there.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Everything me like. Anything me I drink cold, me like it with ice in there.
My cup empty. I drink mine long time.
Yeah, I'm sorry, woman. Your mermaid get me off topic tonight. But
way off topic.
We will come back with the topic. Yeah? But me just tired of it. Me just tired. Me have it. Me just it don't make no sense. It just stupid. It get old. It get played out. It's annoying. Yeah, it's annoying. It's just
a broken record.
Just a broken record. It just
Over
it done,
and
man.
over
It done.
and
It
over
done.
again.
Yeah, move on now. Move on. Find another couple for obsessed about. Another pair of people. That couple per se they're together, but you know what I mean. Find somebody else. Find somebody in America. How about that? Find somebody in America. Yeah. Done with a long distance obsession now. Yeah.
I don't know if that's gonna happen, you know.
Done with a long distance
It needs to happen,
obsession.
though.
Done with the long distance obsession.
But it comes
on people who aren't studying you, okay?
True.
We're over it. We're tired for hear the same broken records being played. Come up with a different song now, okay? Yeah, write something different. Write something different. I love you guys.
Your song's not a hit anymore.
I love you guys.
Love you guys.
And there's absolutely nothing y'all can do about it. Not even if you try. Yeah. Let me see the comment, then we can big up some people. Sammy Charles, how you doing? Jennifer Foster, I love you. How you doing, Queen?
Sammy, Jennifer, big up, big up.
Big up, Joy. How you doing, Joy? Cheryl Chung.
Cheryl.
Margaret. How you doing? Denise. How you Yolanda. Esmina. How you doing?
Esmina.
How you doing? Millicent.
Rose
Edwards, how you doing? Danette. Anise. I hope I said that right. Mecca. Tia. Lorna. How you doing? Cammy.
Laurel.
How you doing?
Laurel.
Janet Reed. Verlove. Sandy. Donna Spence. How you doing? Willett. How you doing? Veronica.
Audrey.
Elaine, Yolanda, Audrey, big up yourself.
Tina.
Big up yourself.
Big up.
Paulette Anderson. Tina, how you doing? Sophia.
Francine.
Sharon, how you doing?
Andrea.
Big up Andrea Brown. Yes, there are two Andreas going behind. Francine, how you doing? Lynn,
Joy.
I see you. Joy, I see you.
Big up.
Big up everybody. If I didn't get you.
Big up Jamaica Sweetie Pie.
Jamaica Sweetie Pie. You're sweet, baby. Shireen, how you doing?
Why is it to go fast?
It is rolling super fast. Lily Mae, how you doing? How y'all doing, Queen? Good night, everyone. Good night, Sandra Clark. Good night, Pamela Scott. Joan, good night. Joan, they say it here. Suzette, good night. Patricia, good night. How you doing?
Janet.
Angela Olness, good night. Pele, good night. Pele, good night. Brenda, good night, Brenda. Dion Brooks, good night. Dawn Walcott, good night. Good night, Queen. Oh gosh, it's running. It's running. Run left me. Melanie, good night, Queen. How you doing? How y'all doing?
Diane.
Big up, Millicent. Big up. All over the place, because she the power one and yours is probably running behind mine.
Herman. Viv.
Big up. Good night, Carol and Jennifer Jones from Virginia. How you doing, Queen?
Luba.
Susan Lindsay, we love you too, darling. Dorette, good night. Rogers, good night.
Omar.
Share, no nonsense. No nonsense. That's right, honey. No nonsense. Omar, you enjoyed the show? Thank you, darling.
Thank you.
Thank you. Diane
Barbados,
Cartier.
Lorna,
Cartier.
Barbados in the house, she said.
Barbados, big up yourself. Claudette, how you doing? How y'all
Angela.
doing? Angela. Faye.
Faye Wright.
Faye Wright, good night.
Bless up. Wendy Ann.
Wendy Ann.
Love you too.
We love you too. Have yourself a blessed night, kings and queens.
Yes. Big up yourselves.
Yes. And remember to be safe. Okay? Love you guys. Love you again. Cammy, good night. Love you. All right, Faye. Bless up yourself, Faye. Bless up yourself.
Covington, Georgia in the house.
Ah,
Denise.
big up, big up, big up.
Connecticut. Boy, they will tell you everywhere they're from. Queen.
Ah.
Rhode Island in the house. Yes.
Rhode Island, big up on
Big
herself.
up, big up, big up.
Big up on herself. Big up.
Blessings
Nicole.
for all of you.
Nicolene, I love you too, sweetheart. Opal, big up yourself, queen. Big up, love you
Ophelia.
too, darling. Charlene Moore, big up yourself. Bella, big up.
Tia Robinson.
Big up yourself, Tia. Yes, big
Saint
up.
Kit.
Marlene Isaac, big up yourself.
Marlene. Merlene.
Oh, it's Marlene. Oh, I thought it was
Rosemary, big up, big up.
big up yourself.
Gillette, big up.
Gillette Davis, love you, queen. How you doing? Big up yourself. Cayman Island, Beverly, you're from the Cayman Island. Big up yourself, sweetheart. Slimmers, how you doing? Viv, good night, love. Stacy,
blessings.
Hilton, good night.
Brooklyn in the house.
Brooklyn, how you mean? Represent. New
Orlando
York.
in the house.
Orlando, big up yourself.
Big up yourself. Wherever you're tuning in from, big up.
Big up
Blessings
yourselves.
to you.
Love you guys and be safe, all right? Until we see you on Saturday, all right?
Yeah,
Much
man.
love, all right? Be safe.
Blessings to you.
All right?
Love you guys.
Good night.
Have a good night. Bye-bye.